What's going on, guys? Welcome back to My Trading Mindset. Right now, I am setting up a limit order, setting it up with a stop loss of $100 and a take profit of $200. All right, here's my buy limit. Take profit is up here at $200, and my stop loss is at $100. So I've been trying to add an extra point to my stop losses because I took a trade earlier that I didn't record, and I only had a 1 point stop loss, and I got stopped out pretty quick. So I'm going to start adding a little bit more cushion here so that the market could, go up and down, do its thing, and hopefully I get it to profits. So here we go. My buy limit hasn't been hit. So as soon as it gets hit, we will be executed and we will be in the game. So I decided to lower my take profit to $150 because the market is just not doing that much action. And like I told you, I used to trade binary options, and I know when I start trading, I get a little bit paranoid as to see if whether or not the market's going to jump up or down. So I'm like, okay, maybe it might just go up 1.5 points. Now we're on the start of the next candle. As you can see, the market went up. I might have just slightly missed this entry right here, but I've been working on the formula for my indicator, and this showed to be my entry point. So I might need to play with it a little bit so that I can have that gap closed, but we'll see. Alright, just got executed. Jumped down pretty quick on this candle here, and we're in a game. As you can see, we're already in profit. Alright guys, welcome back. I fast forwarded a little bit through this so that you guys didn't have to wait that long. But if you noticed, I won this trade. I got $125 off this trade. Now, what I was doing is I was moving my stop loss up, and I kept on trying to move it because I wanted it to continue, and I'm still trying to stay in profit. I messed up by moving it up too close to this, and which made it stop out. I should have gave it a little bit more time because the market did continue to go up, and I kind of just scalped out with $125 profit. Alright, so I took another trade, so let me pull that one up. Alright guys, here's this next trade I took. Alright, I have the other trade pulled up. I'm fixing to jump on it. Alright, so I have a limit order at 37.69. My take profit is up here, and my stop loss is down here. And the market's really volatile, which it came down, and there we go. It stopped me out at $150 profit, and that was it. I took 2 trades that day on Monday. So let's see. That was crazy because it went up, hit my take profit, and then the market just jumped down. I could have, if I didn't have my stop loss down here and it would continue to go down, I would have lost. But let me pause the video. So all in all, today I took 3 trades. I lost the first one, but my my wins. So I lost, let's say, $100. Where was it at? Was it $100? Yeah, it was 100. Ended up winning 125 on the first trade that I showed today, and 150 on this trade that just took place, for a total of 175 total. Alright guys, if you want to trade like me, visit MYTRADINGMINDSET and go on there. If you feel like asking me any questions, if you want to know about my indicators, go ahead and shoot me a text or a message, and catch you on the next one. Thanks.